Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Funny. Today, let's discuss about another interesting topic called Generative AI. What is Generative AI? Generative AI is nothing but generating some original content based on the content present in the internet in some forms like text, video, or images. Now, you all might have been heard or using the things like ChatGPT, DALI 2, Midjourney, which are some exceptional AI tools and examples of generative AI. Now, let me explain you clearly what generative AI looks like. Think of you as an artist and you want to generate a Mona Lisa of Indian origin. Now, I would give my prompt to Midjourney saying that I want the image of Mona Lisa with Indian origin so that the Midjourney will study the Indian origins as well as Mona Lisa and will fusion them and will generate a new image that has never existed in this whole world or never drawn by any other artist. Look at how amazing it is, like generating some original content just like how artists or humans will do. But what is the technology behind this? How does AI do this all? The only technology behind this is deep learning. Deep learning is nothing but mimicking the human brain by sending and analyzing the data from a large layer of networks called artificial neural networks. Generative AI uses an approach of GAN. GAN is nothing but generative adversarial networks. GAN is nothing but generative adversarial networks, which consists of two neural networks. One is used for generating content and other one is used for detecting content. Now, as time progresses, generating content will become more original and will learn more from the data, as well as detecting content will detect what is fake and what is real and differentiate between them. With this, let us discuss some of the applications where generative AI is transforming the whole industries. First one is arts and culture. As I have discussed in the example, generative AI is generating new arts which has never existed or never drawn by any other artist. Artists can think of this as a friend and work closely with it and fusion mix their creativity with the technology and fusion generate some very good content. Second one is education industry. How does education industry benefit from it? Students are using generative AI tools like ChatGPT for understanding their queries and getting more and more insights from ChatGPT to learn more about the topic. Healthcare. Generative AI is also helping the doctors and drug experts to design new drugs for the problems that we are facing. In conclusion, generative AI is a powerful tool that has lot of potential to change this world. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more and very good applications of generative AI. Let's use them all and let's think of that as our friend and move closely with them. Thanks for watching.